You take a sip of hot coffee, it feels warm, comforting, or almost instant energy, but inside your body, something far more complex begins. Within seconds, your brain, your heart, your stomach, even your cells start reacting. This isn't just a drink, it's a full-body chemical event. So what actually happens from the very first sip to nearly an hour later, the moment hot coffee touches your mouth? Temperature-sensitive receptors activate instantly. These receptors send rapid signals to your brain, alerting it to heat. Your salivary glands respond, preparing your digestive system. And even before you swallow, your body already knows something is coming. As you swallow, the coffee moves down your esophagus. Muscles contract in a wave-like motion, called peristalsis, pushing the liquid downward. This process is automatic, precise, and incredibly efficient. Now the coffee reaches your stomach. Here, it mixes with gastric acid. Caffeine begins to stimulate acid production, increasing digestive activity. For some, this helps digestion feel faster, but for others, especially on an empty stomach, this can lead to irritation. The stomach lining may become slightly inflamed, creating discomfort you may not even notice immediately. Within minutes, caffeine moves into the small intestine. This is where absorption happens rapidly. Tiny structures called villi pull caffeine into your bloodstream, and now the real effects begin. Once in your bloodstream, caffeine travels to your brain. Here, it blocks a chemical called adenosine, the signal that makes you feel tired. With that signal blocked, your brain activity increases. Neurons fire more rapidly. You feel alert, focused, awake. At the same time, dopamine levels may rise, enhancing mood and motivation. Your body doesn't stop there. Caffeine can trigger the release of adrenaline, your fight or flight hormone. Your heart rate may increase slightly. Blood flow improves, delivering oxygen faster to your muscles. You may feel more physically ready, even without moving. At the same time, your kidneys begin to respond. Caffeine acts as a mild diuretic. This means your body starts producing more urine, potentially reducing hydration levels if intake is high. But too much coffee or sensitivity to caffeine can lead to jitteriness. Your nervous system becomes overstimulated. Your stomach may feel uneasy, and for some, anxiety levels can rise. About 30 to 60 minutes after drinking, caffeine reaches its peak in your bloodstream, but this doesn't last forever. As your body processes it, the effects begin to fade. Your energy slowly returns to baseline, and sometimes you may feel a subtle crash. What started as a simple cup of coffee triggered a chain reaction across your entire body, from your brain to your bloodstream to your cells. Now you know what's really happening inside, and sometimes you may feel a subtle crash.